Fuck up, that boy a bimbo. Getting low, they playing limbo. Tried to slice me, I went Kimbo. Op hoes get turned to widows. He was stretching shit for shit show. Now he riding in a limo. I'm the fiddler on the roof.
What up, YouTube? We're gonna make a trick shot video and do devious stuff in Drew's house.
Hell yeah.
And his parents are asleep and it's 3 in the morning. 3 in the fucking morning.
Fuck yeah.
Can you believe that? 3. And it's New Year's, we filmed our firework video and posted it. So you guys better go watch it and like and comment it. Okay? Let's go make some trick shots, baby. Woo! Up so we can do some trick shots.
You missed.
Ready? Match this.
Yeah, no, Grant!
Oh my god, it's so hot. Here we go. Oh! How are we gonna pour this in the freaking... Oh, best move. Oh no.
There's portion.
I'm having so hot. What if we do this everywhere? Hey, what if the freaking tub breaks? Oh no. That'd be awful. That's so hard. Oh. Oh my gosh. It's your boy. Okay, now we gotta film some trick shots. No, you got it. Oh, come on! Yes! Yes!
And for the last trick shot.
Yes! Yes!
The batteries. You gave me a chance, I will save it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. No, it's not you can.
It's like 5 in the morning. Preston's bed is right there. My bed is right there. And then, come on. Here's Drew.
So nasty.
We got Blake asleep over here. And then look at the floor. Your bed. Blake, look at how slippery this shit is. It's like just all wet. That counter, all water. This floor, want to see something gross?
Why are you doing that?
So gross.
Okay.
Drew is going to light this fire in there inside his house.
Here we go, guys.
All right. Close the door. Oh. That wasn't that loud.
That's not bad.
Let's see the damage.
Cool on the video.
What? Oh my god, it smells. Oh, it smells so bad. Guys, look at the ceiling. Smoke detector. Look at the ceiling. We took the batteries out. That's better. Okay, anyways, we're going to bed.
So I'm at work. And me and Grant are running out like no sleep at all. This is the work. I hope you enjoyed our firework video. And our new video is gonna be uploaded soon. So stay tuned. Guys, we're working.
And we're working on 1 hour of sleep.
We went to sleep at 6 and now we're working.
We went to sleep at 6 and woke up at
And
like
my workers
7.
are in there.
Look at that shit. So many. Guys, we got ice cream.
Drew
Drew's coming, but we have no friends and we're just sitting here all by ourselves.
Oh.
It's so hard. Look at how hard it is. And they didn't have spoons, so we gotta use forks.
Ow, fucker.
It's so hard.
Here we are, the one and only family fair. We got Grant. What up, Grant? We don't know where Drew went. Guys, we don't know where Drew is. Okay, we're not. Family, where's Drew? Look at this, that's us. Where's Drew? We'll keep you guys updated. Drew's here. There's Grant. There's me. Oh. Surprise. Guys, what vlog are we in right now, guys?
I don't know.
Guys, what planet are we on?
Guys, we're gonna look for a camera so we can have
Yeah.
good quality.
Uh-huh.
And if we buy it, then we'll have good quality.
Yeah. Basically, yeah.
What the fuck are we?
Guys,
Here, should I?
we're gonna have a vlog uploaded soon.
Yeah, it's gonna be the
Soon.
one.
It's
The
gonna
one.
be like trick shots and a bunch of other stuff.
Yeah.